Ouster Inc. This is Meet Jeremy. Ouster Inc. is a manufacturer of digital LiDAR sensors that are used in 4 end markets. We got industrial automation, we got smart infrastructure, we got robotics, and we got the trucking and the automotive industries, okay? This is Ouster Inc. This is ticker OUST. Talked about Ouster a few different times. I really like Ouster. I really like the CEO, Angus Bacala. Meet Jeremy here. Does have some great news to deliver here on Ouster Inc. First is going to be some investor conferences that were announced. Even more. We previously had the Citigroup and the Mizuho investor conferences, which brought, we saw the Citigroup coverage and analyst coverage on the company with buy ratings. So, yeah, like I said, we're going to talk about 3 things. We're going to talk about the investor conferences that were announced. We're going to talk about a key, crucial customer agreement, okay? And we're also going to talk about the Q1 earnings that were on fire. I had a very good prediction. A lot of analysts were estimating, Wall Street was estimating good things for Ouster, and they came through. So let's get right into it. Ouster Inc. is presented actually at the JP Morgan LiDAR Day, and this was on May 27th of 2021, a few days ago. So I'm thinking maybe some coverage coming from JP Morgan eventually. But really, here comes the big ones. Tomorrow, June 2nd, 2021, we get the 18th annual Craig-Hallum Institutional Investor Conference. And we know Craig-Hallum's Richard Shannon already has coverage and a $20 price target on Ouster Inc. And they announced that coverage leading up before the conference, right? So I'm thinking we had these big bumps in the last few days because we got some coverage, right? And we're about to get a good announcement maybe this week on maybe Needham, because we got the Needham June 8th, 2021. We got the Needham 5th Annual Virtual Auto Tech Day, okay? Right after that, the next day, June 9th, 2021, we have the UBS Global Industries and Transportation Virtual Conference, okay? The day after that, busy week for Ouster, we got the Baird Global Consumer Industrial Conference, and we know Baird has coverage with an outperform rating and a $16 price target on Ouster, okay? 6 days later, June 16th, 2021, Deutsche Bank Global Auto Industry Conference, okay? Big, huge. June 22nd, 2021, we got the Credit Suisse Mobility Startup Forum, okay? Expect coverage from any one of those big time players there. This is huge publicity for Ouster. Like I said, I think that if that's not doing it, I'm thinking that's got to be doing it. But if that's not doing it, we got a major. This was announced a couple weeks ago. So I'm sorry, a little late on this. 2 weeks ago to May 14th. Ouster signed a strategic customer multi-year agreement with Balyo. This is spelled B-A-L-Y-O. This is a leader in design and development of innovative robotic solutions for material handling trucks. This is to deploy Ouster's 3D digital LiDAR on its robotic forklifts. Okay, these are Ouster's OS0 ultra wide view sensors. Okay, Ouster also has the OS1, the OS2, and the ES2, all providing different ranges and different resolutions, and all these different, very, very selective. It's making companies very happy because they can literally start from the ground up and maybe move their way up. All these different things, right? So we got Bayo's CEO. He stated, this is quote, "Bayo chose to work with Ouster due to benefits from the wide field of view, okay, and high resolution of its OS0 sensor, as well as a high level of reliability that justified our investment in increased levels of autonomy that will bring additional value to our innovative solutions and our clients. Okay? Now, Bazenga, this is a Bazenga quote. There are currently millions of forklifts deployed around the world. Okay? Still less than 1% of pallets are moved by intelligent machines today, leaving open a large market opportunity for autonomous forklifts to drive increased safety and efficiency. End quote. Okay? Great deal they have there with Bayo. Long term, great. Okay. May 6th, Q1 earnings were a record breaker for Ouster Inc. Guys, Ouster Inc. I'm so proud of Angus, Bacall, and the whole entire team over there at Ouster. Good job, guys. I'm proud of y'all. Okay? If you're liking the video so far, if you've stuck around, meet Jeremy. Would really love for you to hit that thumbs up. Ouster lovers, thumbs up, please. Subscribe for all that awesome, juicy Ouster Inc. OUST, baby. Info, insight. Try to do more updates on Ouster as it becomes a little more popular in the market and in Wall Street and among retail investors. Okay, so let's get right into and I'm thankful and blessed for everybody so far. Let's get right into that Q1 earnings. Q1 earnings was released on May 6th, okay, like I stated. This is $6.6 million in revenue, and this is up 187% year over year, okay? This is versus $2.3 million they did last year Q1, okay? Record shipments of 978 sensors, up 240% year over year for Q1. 978 sensors. 40 strategic customer agreements been signed to date, okay? So these are the SCAs, in case no one's been familiar with these. These are practically contracted, okay? Reaffirms the 2021 revenue guidance of $33 million to $35 million. They're also reaffirming the guidance of a gross margin of 25 to 27%. Pretty impressive for a company that was just founded in 2015. Very proud of them. Now, gross margins for Q1 was 26%, in line with that 2021 guidance like we were just talking about. They also reported an 84% increase in quarterly losses per share, okay? This is a negative 38 cents EPS versus a negative $2.41 they had last year at this time, year over year, okay? Negative $2.41, they dropped that all the way down to negative 38 cents. Very impressive once again. They're calling that an 84% increase. Very, very, very impressive. All around, highly impressed with Ouster. Thank you guys for everybody joining. And I do believe this is why we are sitting at 1184 right now. I mentioned in the last video when it went under 10 to pull the trigger. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm here for entertainment purposes. However, though, that seemed like it had to be coming, right? That this run back up, because all the coverage we've had so far. It is up 5% today. I'm looking for another huge day tomorrow. And there's a rumor that they might get added to the Russell 2000, which will bring a lot of funds, a lot of money, a lot of capital into Ouster, a lot more equity, all these beautiful things for Ouster Inc. This is a long one, guys, but God bless everybody. We'll see you tomorrow. God bless everybody. Thank you.